Okay, here we go. This is my first game ever made using a program called Game Maker Studio. Game Maker Studio. And I'm quite proud of it. It's not 100% complete, but it's a spin-off from Flappy Bird. And it gets faster the more points you get. So once you get 10, it should be at its max speed. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Yeah, it's nosedive right into that. I got excited. So like what I plan to do this year, or I made it my New Year's resolution, is to make my own versions of a bunch of different games I know. Just to like really get that practice in, and at the end of the year I'll put it all in a big compilation. And I'll have my 2016 demo reel for animation, game development, etc. And tell me, anyone who's watching this, tell me what game you think I should make next, or make my own version of. Maybe Tetris or something, I don't know. That might be a little too complicated, but I'll figure it out. Crud. Boy. I wonder how Tetris was made. Like, as far as like all the coding and things like that for that. I'm gonna like try to get to 20, and then I'll close the video. But the person flying, here, his name is Philipp, so you can focus in on there. Yeah, there we go. Philipp, right? I didn't create the character. Someone who created a game called Manyland created that character. And I'm just using it to represent him because he's one of my favorite game developers. He's a pretty cool dude. Yeah. Shout out to Phil, creator of Manyland.com. And yeah, peace on the streets.